I am hungry for some Earth food. What is this?
An alien eating Earth food? Okay, let's learn some English.
FiestaEnglish.com.
Okay, beautiful people. Welcome to English Fiesta. Let's learn some English. Okay, so here is an alien. He's an alien. He's not a human like me, like you. He's an alien. His skin, right? His skin is green. So he's not human, he's an alien. The alien wants to buy some food. He's hungry. So there's food, 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 food. In the store, in the supermarket, there's all kinds of food. It looks a little weird, but there's food. Okay, so the alien, he picked up a banana. His face is funny. He's like, banana.
I am hungry for some Earth food. What is this?
So the alien, he's hungry. He wants food, but he's confused. He doesn't know what a banana is. He doesn't know what a banana is. Do you think he will like the banana? Will he like the banana once he eats it? I don't know. Let's see.
I love Earth food.
Okay. So the alien with his green skin, he loves bananas. Did you see? He loves bananas. Look how happy he is.
I love Earth food.
He loves food from Earth, the planet Earth. He loves it. He loves bananas. He's like, yeah, bananas. Woo! He loves Earth food. Wow. He jumped. He jumped really high. He jumped high. There's so many bananas. He loves bananas. Do you like bananas? I do. Do you like learning English? I do too. I like teaching you English. So, I hope this video helped you. Keep listening, keep watching, and your English will improve. Goodbye.